how to make profile NSW on Reddit. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open Reddit on your device and make sure you are signed in. And if not, then go ahead and sign yourself in. Now, tap on your profile icon on the top right of your screen and further, tap on the settings option you see there. Now, go ahead and tap on the profile option from the menu bar. Further, navigate to the Mark as Mature 18 Plus option and then go ahead and toggle on the Mark as Mature 18 Plus toggle button to designate your profile as NFW. By activating these settings, your profile will be labeled as NSFW and users will be prompted to confirm they're over 18 before viewing your content. This ensures compliance with Reddit's content policies regarding mature content. So this is how you can make profile NSW on Reddit. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.